All right, today I have an American standard toilet, and I'm going to show you what to do if your toilet is running and it won't stop. So occasionally, your toilet will stop working properly, and it'll keep on flowing, and the water in the back will not turn off. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to put the toilet seat down. It's American seating, as you can see right there, and you're going to remove the top and place it in a place to where it will not fall down. Okay, so it's very important that you do not break that top. So you have the American seating toilet tank open right here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to look and see if there's anything obstructing this mechanism from functioning properly. So you want to see if there's any kinks in the chain. You want to see if there's any rust or calcium buildup preventing this from flowing properly. Next, you'll want to look down inside of the toilet, and you see that little plunger thing? You want to make sure that there's nothing obstructing this from coming down. Check the sides right here to make sure that these are flowing upwards, and make sure that this tube is still connected to where water is flowing in there. Next, you want to go over here and make sure that this right here, this lever up here, it can go up and down freely. All right? And then that's how you check to see if all this right here is working properly. Make sure that closes. And then if you just stand by here for a while, you'll see that the toilet tank starts to lift. All right, so you see it starting to lift right there. The water's starting to go up. And eventually what this water is going to do, it's going to raise this thing right here. And you're wondering what this thing right here is. Well, this right here is a leveler. Okay, so this right here, the water comes up and it forces this to come up. And this, once it rises to a certain level, it actually activates and turns off the toilet. So we're going to listen. It's almost at the top. Watch this. It's almost there. It's almost there. It's stopping. It's stopped. So this was able to rise and stop the toilet from running. All right. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.